Why do 80% of small businesses see huge growth with Instagram ads? Let's find out. First things first, know your audience. Understanding who your customers are is crucial for effective advertising. Instagram's targeting options are your best friend. You can target based on location, age, gender, interests, and behaviors. Use demographics, interests, and behaviors to zero in on your perfect customer. Next, content is king. Eye-catching visuals and engaging captions can make or break your ad. Make sure your visuals are high quality and your captions are compelling. Keep it vibrant and authentic. Show your product in action. Authenticity builds trust and engagement. Now, let's talk budget. Start small and scale up. You don't need a huge budget to start seeing results. Begin with a modest budget and increase it as you see what works. Use Instagram's built-in metrics to track what's working. Metrics like engagement rate, click-through rate, and conversions are key indicators of your ad's performance. Adapt and reallocate funds to your top-performing ads. This ensures you're getting the most out of your budget. Don't forget to use Instagram Stories. Stories are a great way to engage with your audience in a more casual and immediate way. They're perfect for showcasing limited-time offers or behind-the-scenes looks. This creates a sense of urgency and exclusivity. Plus, Stories ads are full-screen and immersive, capturing your audience's full attention. Feeling overwhelmed? Just remember, test, analyze, optimize. Testing different ad variations helps you understand what works best. Experiment with different formats and messaging. Try carousel ads, video ads, and photo ads to see which resonates most with your audience. Find what resonates with your audience. Pay attention to feedback and engagement metrics to refine your strategy. So what are you waiting for? The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Master Instagram ads today and watch your business soar. Happy advertising. Remember, consistency and creativity are key to success.